Hello. So today we are unboxing an ASUS switch, unmanaged switch, and the model number is QG-U1080. So this is an 8-port switch which has 2.5 gigabit ports and two 10 gigabit ports. It has 4 intelligent modes of work, so that's priority, EEE, port isolation and static trunk. Okay, so let's open the box, let's see what's inside. Oh yeah, by the way, ASUS is giving a 3-year warranty on the product. And the product standardly comes in vacuum. And also there's a card box which contains, like we see, some paperwork, quick setup guide. And here's the switch itself, which is also in a plastic bag. What else do we have? So we have the 3M stickers for the switch, for the legs. We have power supply unit, which you have to open like this. So this is a fairly small power supply unit with 2 adapters. This is European and this is for UK. So let's see the switch. Switch itself comes in a metal box with ASUS engraved on top. Here we have 8 ports. At front we have a switch here for, like we said, 4 modes of work. And also there are 2 10 gigabit ports. There's a power LED, and on the bottom we have holes for the wall mounting, and also we have some holes here for venting. This is a power supply in, and also the whole case can be disassembled via these 3 screws. So basically that's it. That's the 8 port, 2.5 and 10 gigabit unmanaged switch from ASUS.